Hello guys and good morning from Herat Afghanistan. This is my first day that I wanna start plumbing here in my country. I have already bought this one with some tools, and here is my toolbox, and here are the things I need for plumbing. And here we have drill and also this one, and here almost ready. Now let's head to the road and go start working. But before that I need some more tools. You see it's empty. I need more tools before starting my work here in my hometown. Stay with me for the rest of the video and let's see what we can do today. Alright. Because it's cold. It's 1 Celsius right now. That's why I need to put more clothes on my body and then be more ready. Poco, más. Just reached to a shop where I can buy more tools for my pipe fitting work, and here is that shop, and this is my motorcycle. Let's buy some more tools to be more ready for the work that I am about to do in my hometown. Alright, as you can see, my toolbox just filled with some more new tools that I just bought. And I feel now more prepared. This is the environment I'm usually gonna stay as a plumber. I'm now sitting on my motorcycle in front of this plumbing shop to wait for more jobs to come. And here is what I got. Well, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.